Hi, I'm Dimple Gudlani, Jaipur-based bridal makeup artist. I'm with my sister today, Preeti, and she is doing a shoot for a brand in Jaipur. And I have done a nude look for her, define her beautiful big almond eyes with soft nude lips. To learn this look, please watch the video till the end. So just to conceal her eyes, I'm using my go-to concealer pack in the shade Dusty Fawn. You can also conceal your eyes with lighter shade of concealers, but then her eyes are a bit pigmented. And if you see, I have put a concealer in the inner corner and in the outer corner. To set her eyes, I am directly going with a nude shade like this. She has big almond shaped eyes, so we can define her crease a bit and then give a good sort of liner here, defined liner here. So I'm going with a brown pencil and will then smudge it. Going with this precise brush to smudge the line. Go as soft as possible. The liner should be precise and smudged. So there's a thin line where you need to stop. Now to make this line stay, I'll go with this brown, dust it off, and then softly smudge the line again. I'll take this brown to her crease. Open your eyes. Towards the camera. Stretch a bit here and then define this shape. I'll go with a fluffier brush to soften it. I'll again go with the brown pencil to give that deep effect. Remove the tape slowly. I'll then go with e.l.f. Halo Glow in the shade Fair on her highlighting areas. I'll then go with my NARS foundation in the shade Fiji. I'll take a single drop of it. Haven't used concealer yet. We'll go with it over the foundation. Make sure to go in the hairline while blending the foundation. I'll now conceal with my PAC concealer in the required areas. And I don't see much needed on her face, only a bit around the mouth. I'll let the concealer sit. Till then we'll just brush her brows before filling them in. I'll then go with the same brown pencil and fill her brows. Just give them a bit of defining from the front. And wherever I feel there's a gap. I'll then go with my e.l.f. Putty bronzer. This has a bit of sheen in it. Just defining her jawline. I'll now go with a small fluffier brush to be very precise where to blend her concealer. I'll now go with my K-Beauty concealer just to highlight her under eyes, chin area, cupid bone, center of the nose, center of the eyebrows, and below the bronzer. We'll start blending the light concealer. Go softer, be precise. Take the concealer upwards. Always blend the concealer under the bronzer in slant shape. I'll just press everything together with a fluffier round brush. I'll go with my Innisfree powder. Take it in the puff, dab it. I'll now go with the same round brush and take this brown. Okay. And define her under eyes. To define further, I'll take the brown pencil and place it nearest to her waterline, only at the outer corner. I'll go with a clean brush to merge everything. I'll go with my Lancome mascara to define her big beautiful lashes. Put down. I'll go with my K-Beauty blush. Dab it on my hand first. We'll then define. We'll then put the blush in slant portion. Not going much on the apples. Little bit on the nose. I'll then go with my round brush and the highlighter to put some highlighter on her cupid bone. For the lipstick, I'm going to mix two shades. One is cinnamon spice and another is peachy nude. I'll put the cinnamon spice at the corner and go with the peachy nude at the center. I'll now take a flat brush to merge both. Before letting her go, I'll just go with a small round brush and with my highlighter to put some on her brow bone. So that's a final look. Thank you for watching it till the end.